Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s skincare. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how I use my tool here, my Gua Sha tool, to help reduce those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead area. We're going to do some great massage exercises and then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage using this tool, so we can actually soften these lines and also reduce the toxins and waste. Now, I'm Ali. I've been a facialist for the last 7 years and I am passionate about skincare, particularly over 50s, 60s and beyond, and facial massage, lymphatic drainage and fascia work. So first of all, I like to start off with clean skin, and I've got my tool here which has been previously washed. Quite important, you want to make sure it's nice and clean. So rinsed in soapy water and then finished off just with a final rinse of clear, clean water. Now I am also going to be using on my forehead some facial oil. You don't have to, but I do tend to find whatever you apply just ends up with a bit more of a slip and glide. And obviously whatever you apply to your forehead is going to penetrate in even better and deeper using the Gua Sha tool. So just first of all, just gently applying to the forehead area, and then the side of the temples, the side of the ears, and the back of the ears, and just down by the side of the neck. So first of all, we're going to use this part of the tool, the end part, and I'm placing it between the eyes where we have a great acupressure point here, and I'm just going to massage it in a round circular motion, fairly flat with the tool. And I'm using it fairly flat because you have more surface area. And then the other way. If you like at this point, you can also take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. It really does help with oxygen and blood flow to the area. So once we've done that, I'm going to take the top part here, where it's almost like the shape of a love heart, turning it upside down, taking it between the eyes again, and we're just very gently gliding all the way along towards the hairline. Again, you want this to be fairly light. If you end up scraping and scratching at the skin, you'll end up with red marks, particularly on the forehead, as we don't have that much fat in this area. And then just slowly work away along then from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Now, if you do have sort of slightly more saggy skin, you can always hold your finger in place just to support it as well. And then just work on the other side, nice and flat and light. And again, whatever product you've placed onto your forehead is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. So now let's just go in a little bit deeper for some of that fascia work here. So again, with the end of the tool, I'm placing it, but I'm taking my fingers as well, starting between the eyebrows and just working in a round circular motion, really massaging the forehead here. Again, light and flat with the tool. Again, we hold a lot of tension in our forehead and tend to scrunch our forehead, so you end up with those lines and wrinkles. So it's really nice. This is a great one for really calming down the nervous system. Again, all the way along. And then on the other side, again, fingers as an anchor and just really nice circular motion. And you can go lots of different ways, releasing that tight fascia. And then taking the tool, almost like a bow if you like, and I'm placing it in the middle of the forehead and just very gently gliding along towards the temples and just giving it a little wiggle at the end as well, smoothing out any of those fine lines and wrinkles. Now you can do these once or twice a day, obviously depending how much time you have. And then onto the other side, again between the eyes and above where the middle sort of central part, and then just gently gliding down. Nice, slow and mindful all the way along. And let's just do this one more time. So all the way along here. And then taking this part of the tool again, or you could actually, if you like, take the top part with the love heart and then just glide down the side of the hairline here and the front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then at the back of the ear, again, plenty of lymph nodes. So we're moving toxins and waste now. So this will also help with glowing skin. And then just taking the longer part of the tool, just placing it, literally cupping it behind the ear and gliding down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. Again, fairly flat if you can, nice and light. And then on the other side, again, placing the tool where the temple is, gliding down the front of the ear along that hairline. And then behind the ear as well. And then taking the part of the tool here, cupping it where the ear is, just behind the ear and under, and gently, I always want to swallow while I'm doing this. You can feel the toxins and waste and everything moving, but just gently gliding down the side of the neck, down to the collarbone. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations, and I always like to finish off with this for the final lymphatic drainage release. So if you can just take your fingers and just gently press, and this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved, using our Gua Sha tool to really help smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead area. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up. And please tell me where you're from, and also if there's any other massage exercises you'd like me to share with you. And now, just on a quick note, once we've finished using our tool, it's probably a good idea to then again give it a nice light soapy rinse, and then rinse it with some nice clear water so it's now ready for the next time. So I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.